Welcome back to Good Time Holler Homestead.
We are currently standing in our next big project.
Yeah.
We are
In a trailer.
in a trailer.
Somebody was going to make it into a camper.
And we are going to turn it into what we want.
What we want.
So, we're going to give you a look and show you what it looks like right now. And
I'll tell you what, this was a whole lot of redneckery that whoever built this, I like them. They did an alright job.
They did, but there's a lot of work to be done to turn it into what we're looking for. We are going to kind of give you guys a look around and film the process, but we are ripping this trailer out and turning it into a mobile farm stand for Good Time Holler. It's going to be a
Sell
big
all
project.
our stuffs.
Yeah, I'm excited. It's going to be a big venture for us, for sure. Alright, so we have some before and afters, and I will definitely insert them. We've already pulled walls and roofing. Here's the doorway. More walls are being pulled. There's a little bathroom and shower. This was like a little push out, like a pop out for a camper, I guess. We're taking this entire thing out, and
as you can see, there's quite a bit of water that has been leaking in here.
so we're pulling all of it out and fixing it all up and turning it into our newest adventure. This is the pop out. I didn't show that in a minute ago. Then there's like this little nook. There's this little nook closet thing, and so we just took all of the styrofoam insulation and put it in there. And then there's a toilet and shower in here that we'll have to fix up as well. Got another wall off. I'm working on this other one. The shelf is completely gone, as you can tell, and we'll probably not be back. We've got different plans for it.
Reused a lot of the boards that had a little bit of water damage on them, but we burned them to treat them. So they are now heat treated and look freaking beautiful. I don't know who thought about it, but whoever first started burning wood to make it look cool did an amazing job, and I stole your idea. Thank you. And now our trailer looks amazing because of all of the burnt wood inside.
After assessing all of the water damage to the inside of the trailer, we decided to go to the store and pick up some white tar to prevent any more leaks inside the trailer itself without having to completely redo the roof.
Getting on top of the trailer to do the tar, that I'm a bit hefty, you know. So we had Jalen up there, our oldest daughter, to do the sweeping of the all the dirt and stuff that was on it, and then she also did most of the tar up there. I did a little bit of it, but while I was up there, it was a little uneasy. So I decided that my hefty butt did not need to be up there no more. And that is why she was up there doing that.
Thanks, Henry.
That's it for today, guys. There's a lot more work to do on the trailer, so we will have more videos coming to you real soon. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe down below, comment, tell us your thoughts. See you on the flip side.